Alright guys, here's the second part to the kitten in the cornfield. He was following me around everywhere and I just kept looking. I kept looking for deer, just looking at the pretty colors and seeing if there were any critters running about. And he was right there with me the whole time. And I noticed he started lagging back a little bit. And here's when I turned around to go back to him to see what he was doing, and he runs and jumps right back in the cornfield. And I continued walking around. I did check the cornfield and everything. I looked in there really good. I don't know, I mean, not really good, but I kind of looked in the cornfield. I just kept walking around, so he knew I was out there. It was so pretty that day. It was a beautiful fall day. But, oh yeah, check this sign out. Ever since I've lived here, I thought it was weirdly worded. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen a sign that says this. Limited sight distance. You think they could have worded that a little better, but they didn't. But over here, I was checking over here. Looks like deer were bedded down, or might have just trampled it. But yeah, it was. He wasn't in there. Looked all through here. I was calling him, but I will tell you that I am getting ready to go back down that way tonight. And try to see if I can spot him. I'll just walk down the road like I normally do, and I'll talk so he can hear me, and hopefully maybe he'll come out if he needs help. And I will keep you updated and let you know, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and have a good night.